Introduction. What you will learn in this video. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can improve your English day by day. If you feel like your English is slowly getting better but you want to be more confident, fluent, and natural, then this video is for you. I will share simple methods, daily habits, and real examples that can help you improve your English in small but powerful ways every single day. 1. Start with a clear mindset. The first step to improving your English is having the right mindset. You must believe that you can get better every day. Many learners feel nervous, shy, or scared to make mistakes. But remember, making mistakes is part of learning. If you change your thinking and tell yourself, "I'm learning and I'm growing," you will feel more motivated to practice. Try saying this to yourself every morning. Today I will learn something new in English. This simple sentence can help you stay focused and positive throughout the day. 2. Learn new words daily. Learning new vocabulary is one of the easiest ways to improve your English every day. But don't just memorize long lists of words. Instead, learn 3 to 5 new words a day and use them in your own sentences. For example, if you learn the word confident, try to use it like this: "I feel confident when I speak English slowly and clearly." She gave a confident answer in the class. You can keep a notebook or use an app to save the words you learn daily. Review them before sleeping. 3. Practice speaking a little each day. You don't need to speak English for hours. Even 10 minutes of speaking daily can make a big difference. You can talk to yourself in the mirror, record your voice and listen to it. Join a speaking group online or at your institute. Talk to a friend who is also learning English. Speaking daily helps you become more comfortable with your own voice and builds confidence. 4. Listen to English content regularly. Listening is a powerful way to improve your English without even realizing it. Choose content that you enjoy. English podcasts, YouTube videos, English movies with subtitles, audiobooks. While listening, focus on how native speakers pronounce words, how they connect words, and their tone. Repeat small parts after them. This technique is called shadowing, and it helps with pronunciation and fluency. 5. Read something every day. Reading helps you improve vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure. You can start small. Read short articles or stories online. Read the news in simple English. Use English learning storybooks. Read captions and comments in English on social media. Choose topics that you like so you don't get bored. Try to read aloud sometimes. It helps you improve your pronunciation too. 6. Write something in English daily. Writing is an important part of learning English. It helps you think in English and build sentences naturally. Every day, write a few lines about your day, your plans, or your thoughts. Here are some writing ideas. Today I went to the market and my favorite food is, I want to visit. You can also write short messages in English when chatting online. It builds a habit and improves your grammar and spelling. 7. Use English in daily life. If you really want to get better at English, try using it in your everyday life. Label things in your room with English names. Try to think in English when doing simple tasks like cooking, cleaning, or walking. For example, while cooking, now I'm cutting the vegetables. While walking, the weather is nice today. This daily practice helps you think faster in English and makes the language feel more natural. 8. Set small and clear goals. Setting daily goals keeps you focused. For example, today I will learn 5 new words. I will watch a 10-minute video in English. I will talk in English with a friend for 5 minutes. These small goals add up and keep your learning process active. They also make you feel good when you complete them. 9. Use English apps and tools. Many apps are designed to help you learn English. Use them daily to practice speaking, reading, and vocabulary. Some popular ones include Duolingo, BBC Learning English, HelloTalk, Cake app. Spend just 10 to 15 minutes a day using these tools to keep your learning fun and interactive. 10. Track your progress. It's important to see how far you've come. Keep a journal or a progress chart. Note what you learned each day, what mistakes you made, and what you want to improve tomorrow. For example, today I learned the word improve. I made a mistake with verb tense in my speaking. Tomorrow I will review past tense verbs. This habit gives you motivation and shows you that you're really improving step by step. 11. Stay consistent, not perfect. The biggest secret to daily improvement is consistency. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Some days will be good, some days you'll feel tired, but don't stop. Remember, even 1% improvement every day becomes a big success over time. Keep reminding yourself, every day I'm getting better at English. Conclusion: what we learned today. In this video, we talked about how you can improve your English step by step every single day. You learned how a positive mindset, learning a few new words, practicing speaking, listening, reading, and writing every day can help you become a confident English speaker. You also discovered the power of setting small goals, using learning apps, and tracking your progress. Just remember, English learning is a journey. Don't rush it. Keep learning, practicing, and growing. One day you'll look back and realize how far you've come, all because you decided to get a little better every day. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep growing.